Hey guys, I'm Jackie, the Math Guru. Please subscribe to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the HiSET Math Release 2015, the algebraic concept. So these are a few problems. So for number 4, it says, if 6 bottles of perfect water weigh a total of 4 kilograms, what is the weight of 9 bottles? So first of all, this is a ratio problem because we're comparing the bottles into weight. So what we're going to write is bottles and the weight. How much is the weight? I want you guys to put whatever we're talking about because I don't want you to get confused. Instead of putting 6 bottles, you could accidentally put the 4, where the 4 is the weight. So that's why I need you guys to label it. This is 6 bottles, so for every 6 bottles, the weight is 4 kilograms. So we want to know, what is the weight? That is our question mark right here. What is the weight of how many bottles? 9 bottles. So what we're going to do right here is, this is a ratio problem again. So wherever we have the question mark, because the question mark could be on either spot, we're either going to go right or left. In this case, we're going left, and we're going to work our way around to get back to the question mark. So this is where we start. To the left, work your way around to get here by divide, multiply, equals. So what we're going to put is question mark is equal to 9 divided by 6 times 4. And once you put it into the calculator, you should get 9 divided by 6 will be 1.5 times 4 will be 6 kilograms. So the answer for this one will be B. For number 2, now sometimes you're going to get graphs like these, so we have to know how to read them. So let's see. For number 7, number 7 says, which of the following graphs represents the relationship between variables x and y if a decrease in x is accompanied by an increase in y? So before we start and going into it, we know that we have the x and y. So this is the x, the one that goes right and left, and y goes up and down. If we're decreasing on the x, that means we're going to the left. So this means the left side. An increase in y, it means we're going up. So basically what we want to go to the left and up. So which of these is going left and up? So this is where we're going to start all the way to the right. And we're going to end all the way over here on all of them. We're always going to start on the right because we're going to the left because it wants to decrease on the x. And we're going to end all the way to the left. So let's see. All these are going to the left and we want it to go up. So this one is going to the left and it's also going up. So this one will be an option. Therefore, B could be out and C could be out because this one has the 1, 1, and 1. For the second one, it says it's curving, but we don't want it to curve. We want it to be a straight line. So that one is out. Therefore, E is out. Now we have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. So let's see. On the third one, it says X is always going to the left and Y is always going up. At this point right here, Y is not moving. It's staying constant. We want it to always go up. So this one will be out. So that one is out. Therefore, our only option will be A. A or 1. This graph is decreasing in x as increasing in y at the same time. Now for 23, it says consider the table below. So 1,000 bytes is equal to 1 kilobytes. 1,000 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, and 1,000 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. So we're going to be using the approximation in the table. Which of the following expressions represents the number of bytes? So we want to go from 2.4 gigabytes is equal to how many bytes? So we're going from here all the way to here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this, the 2.4 gigabytes, we're going to multiply it by 1,000. And then multiply again by another 1,000, because we want to go all the way up, and multiply again by another 1,000. So this, what you're gonna do, these are all in scientific notation where we have the one whole number, and then the rest are decimals. They're always gonna be times 10, so we're just gonna count how many zeros do we have. We have 3 right here, 6, and 9. So it has to be to the power of 9. So our answer would be D, 2.4 times 10 to the 9.